All right, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. And this one, it took me a bit of research. This video actually took me a bit of research to do. And after researching and cross-analyzing Leon Bailey's last four performances, there has been a huge difference in his style of play. Huge difference. Now, what equates to that change, that big change between the split of those four games? What happened? It's going to be interesting, people. This one is going to be interesting. I want you to listen keenly because I'm going to read some stats and I want you also to cross-analyze the stats. But listen keenly. Listen keenly, people. Open your ears. I'm begging you because this one is very, very interesting. Now, before I get into the stats, remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We want you guys to help us to get there. It's very important that you help me to do that. And I think I should do a giveaway. I think I should do a giveaway when I hit the 30,000 subscriber. Yeah, I'm going to try and see if I can do a giveaway when I hit that 30,000 subscribers. So, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, people. All right, so, we're going to go first with the Mexico game that we played. You know, remember that when we played against Mexico? Yeah, definitely. I won't go into his match ratings. I'm going to go into his statistics. In that Mexico game, Leon Bailey attempted 18 passes. You guys know what I'm alluding to. And completed 11. With finishing the game with a 61 percentile pass completion. 61, that's very, very low. Remember that he should be the creative player. In total, long ball 61% as well. Crosses complete 57%. So everything is below 60%. Dribbles completed 7 attempted, 7 completed 2. He had a total of 43 touches versus Mexico. Let's go now to the next game, which is against USA. Listen keenly, people. I want you to listen. I hope people just open their ears and listen keenly. Against USA, he had 19. He attempted 19 passes, just one more than what he did against Mexico, completing 12 of those at a 63% pass percentile. Now, in this USA game, he made more dribbles, which is 8. In the previous game, he had 7, and now he made 8. 7 and 8. So in 2 games, that's roughly 15 dribbles in 2 games. He had 45 touches again. 45 touches. So in 2 games, he had a total of 88 touches and attempted, that's at 1918, under 40 passes. Attempted under 40 passes. About 36 passes he attempted. About 30 and complete about 30. Out of, it's more touches, people? 88 touches. Listen keenly. No, he lost possession 3 times here in the USA game. Now, let's move forward now to the Trinidad game, which a lot of persons were speaking about. In the Trinidad game, he completed 21 passes. He attempted 24 and completed 21 with that 88% pass completion he finished the game with. The previous 2 games, 61 and 63. Now, big jump to 88. Long pass, 100%. He had less touches. He has less touches in this game. And he only lost possession once. So think about the 88% people with less touches. Listen to this. I know. The last game now, which is last night, as you guys know, Leon Bailey had attempted 42 passes and had 36 passes completed. 86%. So, from the 2 big games now, which is tough game, 2 tough games, he had 86%. Dribbles completed 3. 3 dribbles attempted, sorry. And remember the 2 previous games, he had 7. The 2 previous games, Mexico and USA. Mexico and USA, he had 7 and 8. And in this game, he has 3. Now, think about it, people. Let me. I'm going to check back how much he had against. How much dribbles he had against. No, just one dribbles. So he had 3. So in total, 4. 4 in 2 games. And previously he had 16. No, I'm sorry, my apologies. 15 dribbles. Now, what could change where Leon Bailey's performance would move from him completing his passes at 63% and 61% to 86 and 88% in the high percentile pass completion, and from dribbles from 15 dribbles to 4 dribbles, from 12 passes completed and 12 and 10 passes completed to 24. Oh, I never check how much pass completed. For the last one, how much pass completed? From 24 to 36. So in total, he completed 32 passes in the last those two games, the Mexico and Senegal game. Even though you can look and say the team had less possession, but in context, dribbles attempts is what we're speaking about and what we know Leon Bailey for. It's creative ability and all these things. But why is it that in these 2 games he dribbled less against weaker opponents and he dribbled more against stronger opponents? Why? Why did he pass more against weaker opponents and dribbled less? He passed more against weaker opponents and dribbled less. Against stronger opponents, he passed less and dribbles more. Maybe you can say that because he's trying to create space and time, but really and truly, the stronger opponent is the more than likely you should pass the ball, keep the ball moving to be competitive. A weaker opponent, you can take it to beat 1-2 players because you are superior where quality is concerned. So, no, this could be far-fetched. I know. But listen to this. Do you guys remember that interview that Leon Bailey did? That question, that big question that Jay Taylor asked Leon Bailey. That press conference fall right in between the 2 games. In between the 4 games. The 2 performances where Leon Bailey was holding on to the ball and made less passes, more dribbles, less passes. Oh, I'm Bachaga dead. More dribbles, less passes. Bachaga dead. I've got to cut it fast. More dribbles, less passes. Then no, the press conference, heated interaction. Leon Bailey went on. Ray. Then no, 2 less dribbles, more passes, and better performances. More dribbles, less passes, average, not good performances. In between, less dribbles, more passes, better performances. Now, people might say, boy, the interview had nothing to do with it. The question had nothing to do with it. But think about it, people. Do critical thinking. Do you believe that when Leon Bailey is on the pitch, he remembers these things? I believe he remembers it. I strongly believe that these things, he remembers it. I believe he remembers it. And we might say, no, it's a bit far-fetched. We are grabbing at straws. But real and truly, people, let me tell you, these things affect the players. When the players go out on the pitch, they think about their performance. They think about what's going to happen even after the game, before the game. That is the reason why they give their everything, because they want to be good and they want to do good. And reflecting on certain aspects, I do believe that Leon Bailey maybe looked into himself and said, all right, let's see if I can change it up a bit. I do believe so. So, if that is the case, I have to say congrats, well done Leon Bailey on really looking into yourself and realize that, hey, I could be doing this thing wrong all along, and this is how I should be doing it. So well done Leon Bailey on that. If that's not the case, well done again also, and just changing up your game style on your own basis. So it's either. If the interview had an impact on it, so big up Jay Taylor for that question. A lot of purpose were making crazy amount of nice, this, that, rated, T. And the truth is, all these questions are things that people, the fan base, have been asking for a long while. Maybe in how we ask the question could be, maybe a bit cringe, but in the same sense, these are questions that have been asking. People have been asking these questions for a long time now. And it went straight to Leon Bailey, face-to-face interaction. Yes, he got a bit agitated, but certainly it could be one of the reasons why his holistical gameplay has significantly changed. I could be stretching for straws, people. I could be grabbing for straws. That's how I am. But I look into things deeply. It's called critical thinking. Look at things, look into things, try to read our own things, but I could be wrong. Anyways, tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Please tell us what you think in the comment section. Is this far-fetched? Could it be a possibility that the interview actually played an impact on him and he really, really is trying to just get better where that is concerned? And I've said, big up to him. Big up Bailey. Wonderful last two performances. Before that, I don't know what you're doing. But wonderful last two performance. Big up Liam Bailey. Massive, massive respect. People in the comment section, tell us what you think. Let us know what you think, people. And smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Big up MG Sports TV. We're out. Like a go. Big up.